In this session, let us take up some more examples on insurance and income tax. The example number 23. I read the question first. It was asked in May 17, 7 marks question. Only 2-3 steps are few steps are there, but you should know this because this example may be asked in for the MCQ questions. A consignment of an article each costing rupees 10 was sent from Bombay to Calcutta. The lot was insured for 3 by 5 of its value and the total premium paid was rupees 14.40 at the rate of 0.4%. Find the number of articles. On the way, certain number of articles were destroyed. The insurance company paid rupees 150 for the damage. Find the number of articles destroyed. So here two things are asked here. One is you have to find out the number of articles. Second is number of articles destroyed. Let us see how to do this. Solution. See, cost of each article is rupees 10 and insured amount is 3 by 5th of its value. So if there is the value of the articles total is say 5, then the insured amount is 3 rupees. So that is the proportion of insured amount. Now premium rate is 40%. 0.40%. Is it 1 to 40 or I will check the question. Is it 0.4? Yes, 0.40%. 0.4%. 0.4% means 0.4 divided by 100, that gives you 0.004. So premium payable is, it is given 14.40. Hence, insured amount can be calculated by the ratio of premium payable divided by premium rate multiplied by 100, provided if you do not take the you do not take the value here as it is. If you take the value as it is, in the sense if you are not converted this the given premium rate into percentage. If already converted here 0.4% means 0.004. So in such cases you need not take 100 here. 100 into multiplied by 100. It should be taken. So we know this. Whenever now applying the rule of 3, insured amount equal to premium payable divided by premium rate. So that is equal to 14.40 divided by 0.004, that gives you 3600 is the insured amount. Now the insured amount is proportion of 3 by 5th of the value. So we have determined the 3 now. Now we have to determine what is 5. 3 means 3600. What is 5 means what? That is we have to determine. So whenever by applying the rule of 3, whenever insured amount is 3, the property value is rupees 5. That is given. So whenever the insured amount is 3600, what is the property of the value? That is equal to 3600 divided by 3 multiplied by 5, that gives you 6000. So number of article equal to 6000 divided by 10, because each article costs about rupees 10, that is given. So number of articles equal to 600. Next step is you have to determine the number of articles destroyed. So we know that amount claimable equal to insured amount divided by property value multiplied by loss. What are given here? Amount claimable is given, there are rupees 150. Insured amount I have calculated 3600 and property value we have determined, that is 6,000. So equal to loss. ಸಾರಿ, ಅದು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಆಗಿದೆ, ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಸಾರಿ, ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. So it is typing error. Okay, now 3600 divided by 6000, so cancel two zeros numerator and denominator, so that becomes, the ratio is 36 divided by 60, so divided by 12 to the numerator as well as the denominator, that gives you 12 into 3 36 and 12 into 5 is 60, so 3 by 5 into loss. So therefore 3 by 5 into 150, this 750 equal to 3 into loss. 3 into loss. So that gives you loss equal to 250. Number of units damaged equal to 250 divided by 10, because each costs about 10 rupees. So 25 articles were damaged. So that completes the insurance section. Let us go for the income tax, and hence today let us accomplish the unit number 2. So income tax. What is tax? Tax means the amount to be given by any individual who are earning. It may be private, government, semi-government, institute, corporation, whatever, even laborer. Also, the earning is more than certain amount. The amount more than the limit, the tax will be given, that is income tax. Tax in the sense, the amount and tax is levied by the federal government or most state government, or on individual and business income, even business income also. So whoever it may be, the income at present case, whose income is more than 3 lakhs, he has to pay the income tax. After 3 lakhs he has to pay 10% up to certain limit, up to 5 lakhs it seems. After 5 lakhs 15%, 5 to 10, and after that 30% in general is at the present case it seems. Okay, anyhow, this is whatever the money you give. After once you enter into the job or earning started, then you also should give the income tax if your income is more than whatever the prescribed amount, prescribed amount by the government or any whoever your appointee. That is the income tax. Now next, so let us take up an example. The total income of a man is 16,500. Total income. So the annual premium he pays is 2,000. Find the taxable income. So total income equal to 16,500 less premium of 2,000. 2,000 is the premium in the sense life insurance premium. So if the for the life insurance premium, there is no tax at income tax. Suppose your income is 5 lakhs and your insurance for life insurance policy say premium about another 2 lakhs say yearly, then actually if you are not purchased the life insurance policy, you would have been give to the income tax to the government. But if you are at the same time, if you are purchased or filling this premium, paying the premium of say 2 lakhs yearly, then these 2 lakhs will not be considered for the income tax. That is the meaning. Total income equal to this, less amount equal to 2,000, so taxable income equal to 14,500. That is the question, no? what is the taxable income. Next, the note is here. This is an important note. This is also very important in the case of MCQ also. So what is here? An amount equal to 100 ಆಗಿದೆ, 100% ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಅದು 100 ಅದು ಟೈಪಿಂಗ್ ನಾನೇ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಅವಸರದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದನ್ನು ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಟುಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 100% ಆಫ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ₹5,000 and 50% of the next 5,000 and 40% of the balance deducted from the total income in respect of life insurance premiums. ಇದರ ಅರ್ಥ, if you are paying for life insurance policy or you have purchased the life insurance policy, so your policy is, the premium is yearly rupees up to 5,000, then it will not be included in the income tax. But if your premium policy is more than 5,000, then 50% of this extra money, 50% of is considered for the income tax. And if the amount exceeds, again the premium amount exceeds more than 10,000, then 40% of the extra amount will be considered as 40% of the extra money is considered as the income, considered for the income tax. So the balance will be deducted from the total income in respect of the life insurance premiums. This is subject to a limit of 10% of amount assured of the policy. If it is 3 lakhs amount, then 10% will be considered. Also, maximum limit for the amount of admissible for the deductions on the account of life insurance premium, employees' contribution to the recognized PF, means Provident Fund, and cumulative time deposits is 30% of the total income, or 30,000, whichever is less. Next, let's take one example, it will be clear then. A man whose income is rupees 60,000 pays an annual premium of rupees 5,000 on a policy of rupees 30,000. Find amount of tax payable at 40% on income if other amount qualifying for deductions are rupees 5,000. See, whose income is 60,000. So solution, premium is 5,000 and the policy amount is 30,000. So in the previous note, what it was? Here the premium is more than 10% of the sum assured. So 5,000 is more than 10% of the 30,000. So more than 3,000. Hence, the qualifying amount for deductions on this account is only 10% of 30,000, they equal to 3,000. Therefore, the amount of qualifying for deductions equal to 3,000 plus 5,000 already deducting as premium. Deductions, see, for the other income, in income if other amounts to qualify for deductions are 5,000. So 5,000 plus this 3,000, that is the 8,000. Next, deductions. So 100% of 5,000 and 50 plus 50% of the 3,000, because above the 5,000 equal to 5,000 plus 1,500, that is equal to 6,500. So total income equal to 60,000 and less deductions equal to 6,500. So net income is considered as, so 60,000 minus 6,500, that gives you 53,500. Therefore, the tax payable at 40% of the income. What is income? 53,500. Therefore, tax payable at 40% of income equal to 0.4 into 53,500, that gives you 21,400. Next is question number 26. A man whose income is 1,20,000 pays income tax at 8% on the total income and special surcharge at 10% on the income tax. Find the amount of tax payable by him. So taxable income is 1,20,000. So rate of income tax is 8%, equal to 0.08. Special surcharge is equal to 10%, 0.10. Surcharge is an additional charge of or tax levied on existing tax. So tax for the tax is surcharge. If you are paying the tax certain amount, if it exceeds that amount, then for the exceeded amount, again the extra charge will be received, that is called surcharge. Tax payable equal to 1,20,000 into 8%, is equal to 0.08, that is equal to 9,600. Surcharge is 10% on existing tax, equal to 10% of the 9,600, that gives you 960 rupees. So the amount of total tax payable equal to by him equal to 9,600 plus 960 equal to 10,560. Okay. Next is homework. The income of a person was rupees 7,000 in a certain year. On it, he pays 2.7% of income tax in the subsequent year. Due to increase in the income tax, he paid income tax at an average rate of 3%. After paying income tax, his income for the second year was rupees 2,889 more than the first year. Find his income for the second year. This is try at home. The homework for you, and that completes the second unit. We have no time because in the next month itself there is exam. Before that I have to complete all the syllabus. Also I am planning to give some MCQ questions myself. I have to prepared myself prepared if possible. My plan is there. So I am completing this today. So thank you.